Give thanks first of all. I may have to say license, you know it's ecstatic. Dancehall, best matic with the extra clip. And you going to say why I say so. I may have to drop my truck them general. Keisha Las Vegas, big up yourself. Hello general. All judges, everyone in here same way. Alright, it start now. So here we go on. Let me hear it. Cause we are top man, real top done, like movie or so me. We clean and fresh, freshest. Spend cash, no take, no check. Me swag nah no fix address. Me them gyal a link when she nah get no. Clean and freshest. Yeah, to success we must progress. Tell bad mind no stress we bless. And with them suggest I get suppressed. Real outlaws and we do what we got to. Style them fresh cause I brand and no bashko. Hustle for the cash too, buy my strap too. Have them gyal a bounce pa me thing like shocks too. Me a touch a gyal a yo she nah come back too. Nuff boy love talk with them cannot do. From your bad mind for the chain and the chops too. We tell you chuck off in a full caps too. And don't get freshest. We spend cash no take no check. We swag nah no fix address. Me them gyal a link when she nah get no sex. Clean and freshest. Yeah, success we must progress. Tell bad mind no stress we bless. And with them suggest I get. Style them fresh and we chain them fresh. Strictly design and no PLS this. No bad mind I go paint them chest. Cause we never invite and now we are the best dress. Real hustle and no care. Shell down the bar our favorite flex. Thing not the far when we a make step. Clean and fresh, yeah we clean and cause we clean and fresh. Freshest. Yeah, we spend cash no take no check. Yeah, me swag nah no fix address. Me them gyal a link when she nah get no. Clean and fresh. License, you know it's ecstatic.
And the man's a clean and fresh 100%. Hey, talent right now, me I tell you no real I bring it to the table. We're really excited for them, but not lie. Big up yourself, ecstatic. Bad artist are road. All right, Nero. Judges, what you have to say?
Yo.
What go on?
The man style up there. Man style up there, first and foremost. And pay attention to keen details when it comes to image, because you know image is everything when it comes to entertainment. Confidence is on point. You utilize the stage on point. So you got the vote for me.